Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So at the minute I am just currently in the car heading back home now, and as you can tell by this title, I think I'm going to give the car a good clean because it is an absolute state. I haven't cleaned it since I've had it, so that's been a few months now. So yeah, obviously the last video wasn't the best because it was raining and the traffic was bad, so hopefully this one's going to be a little bit better, showing more of the car and that. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. The more views we get, the better the content's gonna be, so yeah, enjoy. First things first is get all the stuff out of the shed. Unfortunately that's where it's all kept. Give it a open. There we go. As you can see, it's quite a nice day today, so hopefully it doesn't rain. But then, yeah, so I'll turn the camera around and try and get everything out of the mess in here. So that's the mess of the shed. And I need the box, the hose pipe, and the jet wash, which is hiding in there. So as you can see, the car is a bit of a mess, especially the wheels. They could do with a really good clean. A few flies and that on the front, but it doesn't go that quick, so don't get that many flies. A lot of bird muck there, as you can see, which isn't great. See on the back, it's all dirty at the back. With it being white, it doesn't matter so much. So let's start on the wheels, because they could do with a really good clean. So we'll jet wash them off now. So we'll do the wheels first. It's the hardest part of the car, I think. So I'm using Automotive's Brick Gel, which is a wheel and tyre cleaner. So just spray all that on there. Make sure you get quite a bit on your tyre as well. Just give that a quick go. Make sure, like I say, it needs a good spray. So, and then after that, just get your brush and just rub it around. Make sure you're getting all the nooks and crannies. And then once you've done that, I'll use another brush to do the tyre. Give the tyre a good clean, which I'll get onto as soon as I've done this. And then once that's done, I'll just jet wash it again. Sorry about that. Make sure you're rinsing it all off. And then what I'm going to do is do all 4 wheels, and then I'll show you the results after, which you can see already 10 times better than what they were. As you can see, they're looking so much better now. I'll show you all of them now, which I've done. It's amazing how dirty the wheels actually get from all the brake dust, but time now I think to get on cleaning the car. Obviously there's a bit of bird muck there, more there, the flies on the mirrors because it's just a speed demon. A bit more bird crap there. So let's start jet washing it all off. Autobright's shampoo, which is a purple velvet deluxe. So yeah, we'll put a few drops of that in the bucket. I'm not one of these that does a 2 bucket method because I'm just lazy. So I always start off from the top and work your way down the car. It's getting quite hot, so I'm going to just quickly go over the car before, obviously, because the sun's hitting it, it's just gonna dry instantly. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that quickly now. Let's just pause the video there a minute, and just want to say, if you don't follow us on all social media, then give us a follow. Just search for our name and yeah, drop us a follow there. If you're interested in any stickers or t-shirts like the one that I'm wearing at the minute, then just drop us a message on Instagram, because that's where we mainly respond. So yeah, back to the video. So I've cleaned all the car now, and like I say, the sun, especially on the other side, the sun just hits that so hard. So I've just got to give that quick clean, do what I've got to do, and then yeah, so that's all done now. So I think on to the next part, which will be just using this really, top gloss. Just spray it while the car's still wet, spray it on, and then spray it straight off then with the jet wash. I'm going to be doing each side as it's quite hot, so it's going to dry pretty quick. Just spray it all over the car. I quite like to use a bit on it, because like I say, I've got a 5 litre tub of it, so I've got plenty to keep me going. And you usually use about half a bottle of it on a car, depending obviously on the size. If you're doing a big SUV, then it'll take a lot more up. So yeah, let's do the roof as well, and then after that, jet wash it off, and it's as easy as that. As you can see, when you're spraying it, it foams up, so just keep washing it until there's no foam, so you know that it's all come off. And obviously then you can see the beading, which I'll demonstrate on the side window after, because I think it looks a little bit better on that. So now I've shown you that, I'm just going to quickly do the whole car, obviously before it dries. Like I've said before, because of the sun here, it's quite bad, so yeah, I'll do that. So I've done the whole car now, and I'll just show you the window. Once you sprayed it, got it all wet, just how good it beads off. Does a great job. So now the bit that everyone hates, drying the car off, which I think is just a ball ache. I'm using Automotive's drying towel, which is quite a good towel. I always start off with the windows, and then do the bonnet, and the boot, and the side, and then I always do the roof last, just because it's always stays dead wet. So yeah, just gonna dry it all now. So yeah, it's a mess in the boot as well down there, so I think I'm gonna just give it a wipe out. It's not too bad obviously in the middle, but yeah, all the grime through the trees and over the years has probably not really been done. So I'll just give that a quick wipe in the middle. Couldn't really wipe out the dirtiest of the bits, so I think I'm just going to jet wash it all off. As you can see now, it looks a lot better in there. Just get that little bit. Yeah, it's looking a bit more white now instead of green and brown. So yeah, the car is now gleaming for a day or so, which scrubs up quite well, to be fair. What's this little dude doing here now? See, as soon as it's clean, they all want to bloody jump on it, don't they? Oh, what's this one as well? Got another one. So it won't take 2 minutes till there's bloody bird muck on it again. Yeah, it scrubs up pretty well. So I thought, while I've got the jet wash out, I might as well just do this drive path, as it is really dirty. I've got this patio cleaner for the Karcher, which works pretty well. I think there's a little bit of a break, so ice cream man came, so I thought I'll have a little ice cream. A flake. So now I'll just show you how good this thing works, to be fair. As you can see, muck is just flying off it straight away. What I'll do is I'll, obviously you've seen it now what it looks like, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I've done it. So I've done the path now, and as you can see, that looks 10 times better, so just needed that washing. So just going to do the tyres now with this tyre gel from Autobright. What I do is get it on the cloth and then just rub it around the tyre. It's quite hard with one hand, so what I'll do is I'll do them all and then do a little comparison. So that's without any tyre gel on it. Go on to the other side and then show you the one with. Just blacks them up and gives them that shine. Alright then guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's looking a little bit cleaner now, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, please. Peace out.